Hello guys, welcome to Android tutorial for beginner. Today I will show basic example of linear layout. So what is linear layout? Android linear layout is a view group that align all children in either vertically or horizontally. When we will define the linear layout and linear layout all children, it may be vertically or horizontally at a time one direction. So let's go to code. At first we get a tag linear layout. This is mass with mass parent height wrap content. Linear layout default direction is horizontal direction. Or vertical direction is defined by orientation attribute. Orientation, it can be horizontal or it can be vertical. So at first I will show the horizontal view. This is linear layout, and in linear layout we can define the child as like button wrap content. So button text is button 1. You can set the button background color, or also set the text color. Text color. This is the button 1. We will take 2 or 3 button 2, button 3. We take 3 button in linear layout. We can see the preview. This is the button 1, button 2, button 3. We can set the gap between button. Fade in. So we can set the margin 5 dp. So all the margin we can set. This all button showing horizontally because our linear layout orientation is horizontal. We can run it emulator for check. Is running. It will take a few seconds. So linear layout is 3 button showing horizontally, button 1, button 2, button 3. So now we can sense our orientation as like linear layout orientation is vertically. So we can run again for showing orientation vertical view. Still running. So here is the vertically vertical view orientation of linear layout, 3 button. So linear layout orientation is two type. One is horizontally and one is vertically. Thank you.